Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the base dimension here 74 and this is 64 and thickness is 25 mm and also both side two flanges is there. Let's try with a single sketch, base and including flanges. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select extruded boss, select the right plane, create one center rectangle first, give the dimension here 75, and 64, 74 and 25. Select line, just create a rough sketch, give this horizontal constraint, drag this down, give the dimension here, this is 20 mm, and you can see here there is a 30-degree angle. Give the parallel constraint here, give the vertical alignment, and this dimension is here to here 12 mm. This is also no need this, here to or give the from center point, this is 6 mm. Next, this length we need, this dimension is 75 mm. Same create right side also, give the horizontal constraint, give the dimensions, this is 20 and here to here angle is 30, give the parallel constraint here, next give the this dimensions 12, this overall length is 70, sorry this is 69, this is 75 and 69. Select this and this, give the vertical. That's it, sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. First select this one, here select mid plane, the dimension we need 65 mm. Okay. Next select the same sketch, extrude, select this portion, make symmetric, the length is 50 mm. Next select the opposite side, make symmetric, 50 mm is okay, finish. Control 7 for ISO view. Next create the pillets, there is a R10 pillets on the 4 corners. Next there is a center cutout, select this surface, sketch, the cutout dimension is 40 by 40 and also 10 mm chamfer on the 4 corners. Create center rectangle, give the dimensions 40, finish sketch, extruded cut, here select up to next, okay. Control 7, create the chamfer here, the dimension 10 mm is okay. Next this side there is a slot cutout, select this surface, sketch, create one slot here, give the dimensions, you can see the slot dimension, length is 50 and diameter 15 mm. Here to here give 50 mm and this diameter is R 7.5. So this is not required, or we can give the condition also here. That's it, no need to other dimension, finish. Select extrude, extruded cut, here give through all, okay. Control 7. Next in the opposite side there is a dia 10 4 holes is there, pitch is 35 and 30 mm. Select here hole wizard, select simple hole, drill sizes, diameter 10 mm, through all, select positions, first select this face. So we have a arc shape here, so we can get the point for 2 holes. Another 2 holes we need to make the dimensions. Give the dimension, this is 35 mm. Let's try with the constraints, give the horizontal constraint here, vertical, this is also vertical. You can see sketch is fully defined, finish. and also here 4 holes is there, that diameter is dia 9 mm through hole. Select same hole wizard, simple hole, change the dimensions, drill dimension, through hole, everything is same. Select the positions, first select this surface, place 4 holes. The pitch of the holes is 54 and 44 mm. This is 54 and this is 44 mm. Give from center also. Give the constraints here. That's it, you can see sketch is fully defined, finish. So that's it friends, assign the material here. Edit material. So these are all the standard materials. Select aluminum alloy 6061 T6. Apply. Go to edit appearances, assign some different color here. Okay. So you can change the inside cutout color to identify. Here remove this first. Select here features, select the features here, holes, cut, chamfer also cut, fillet is not required. That's it. Okay. So this is missing. Select this chamfer also. Okay. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends. We'll see you in the next session.